stress about stray animals. We know the number of homeless dogs and cats that's increasing at our local shelters. But if you can't save them, what do you do? If you can't save them all, what do you do? Here with some advice is Dr. Alice Connors-Kellgren, a clinical psychologist at Tufts Medical Center. Good to see you, Doctor.
Hey, Dr. Alice. It's great to see you. First question. National group, the Shelter Animals Count estimates that there are 177,000 more dogs and cats that are sitting in shelters than there were at the same time a year before. Here in Massachusetts, the MSPCA says that their cages are full and they're hosting a statewide adoption event next week to rehome as many animals as they can. So those are the overwhelming numbers. From your perspective, what are some of the benefits of getting a pet?
Having a pet provides so many wonderful mental health benefits. I think the biggest one is a sense of purpose. Taking care of an animal can give you a reason to get out of bed in the morning and provide structure for your day. Having a pet is also shown to reduce anxiety. Even just having physical contact with an animal can reduce your heart rate and soothe your nervous system. And then they can also help with feelings of loneliness, both from the companionship that they provide and the opportunity that they can give to meet other people.
Oh, for sure.
Oh, yeah.
But pets are also a huge commitment, Doctor. A lot of people don't have the time or the money to care for them properly, but it can be really hard to say no when an animal is in need. So what's your advice?
Yeah, sometimes it can feel like the only way to help shelter animals is through adoption, but if you really care about this issue and you recognize that you can't adopt a pet right now, you can support shelter animals in so many other ways. For example, you can volunteer your time or your skills at a shelter, whether it's like working with and socializing with the animals or helping shelter to advertise fundraisers and adoption events. You can also donate money, pet food, and toys to shelters, and you can donate pet food and other supplies to banks that help people take good care of the animals that they have and keep them out of the shelter system.
And Doctor, as you know, some do struggle with hoarding animals. You know, they can't just take one, they have to take every one. What should we know about the warning signs?
So oftentimes this comes from a really good place, but it can get out of control pretty easily. So the most prominent sign of animal hoarding, besides having a large number of animals, is that the animals are not being well cared for. So hoarding situations don't always begin this way, but people who hoard animals may become overwhelmed or lose the ability to care for themselves and their animals over time. So if you feel like either you're not able to care for your animals or you see somebody who's not able to care for their animals, reaching out to the MSPCA can be a really great resource.
And they are great. They will listen and they will help. Dr. Connors-Kellgren, thank you so much. We appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you, Doctor.
Thank you.